Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending February 5th of 2023. The stock was Redfin, RDFN. This happened on the 2nd, which was on a Thursday. This is based on a tier 2 gap with an entry on a 5-minute climactic, be the tail type of entry. The management advanced reward to risk 2.8 to 1. As usual, what's free for DTS members this week? We have Monday night as a bi-weekly scanning night. Come join us on February 6th at 5 o'clock. You'll get your invites automatically if you're a DTS member, and if you're not, go to the DTS homepage and find out how you become a member. It's right there on the screen. It's free. You don't get hassled with stuff, just a lot of good educational material. The long-term trader is off to a good start this year, had a good year last year. And as it says on the screen, what we're looking at Monday night are long-term type of trades, and a lot of these end up being used in the long-term trader. Redfin daily chart. Here's what it looked like the day before the trade, and then we were gapping up that day, so we took that gap up looking for an entry, and it gave just the perfect kind of entry. I'm not a big fan of the climactic type setups, but this is on the screen and just happened to look great. We're going to be the tail up in here, shorting up near the top. Hourly chart gives you a little better view, not a whole lot to see there, just we gap up and we shoot higher. The 5-minute chart is where the trade really occurred. It is on the screen, and then I look over and I see this big move going up here like that. And that became a top watch because of the daily chart, the gap, and then you get that acceleration. It's exactly what you need to do a good climactic play like that. 5-minute chart going acceleration and entry right there under 1045, stop over 1070. I listed it as a be the tail, but it's really more a secondary sign of weakness for those of you that pay attention to those type of things. The trade dropped a bit initially, kind of was going sideways. I was away from the screen for most of the afternoon. I came back and saw a very nice little profit there as we had a nice fall into the afternoon. Shortly after I had returned, I ended up trailing a target one over 960, which is I think in that green bar when it popped there, and then the back half was for the end of the day. It actually gave up a little bit on the back half. It could have fallen more, you never know. Overall, very nice trade. 1-minute chart. Just showing you the entry on here because we opened off the screen here. This 1-minute chart starts around 10:30, goes to noon. All you see in here really is the entry under 1045, stop 1071, and then of course targets are off the screen on a nice little drop like that. If you like trades like this, nice planned, controlled, disciplined type of trades, not hyperactive, just looking to take 2, 3, 4 trades a day, most all of them done early in the morning. Occasionally when the market calls for it, we get something a little later in the morning. Come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.